My dear students, I am Pathak sir from Modern English High School, Guwahati. The question which I have selected here on the board, that is from class 9, triangle, chapter number 7.1. And this question is question number 1 of that particular exercise. Here, question is given like that. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A, so that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? First of all, I am drawing the diagram. In the examination, sometimes diagram is given, but sometimes you have to draw the diagram taking the help of question. You see, ACBD, that is the quadrilateral. Very often you are seeing the name of the quadrilateral like that, ABCD, but here is not in order. It is given, what is the given order? ACBD. So I draw the diagram like that. Here, this is the diagram. A, after that C, after that ACBD, B is here and D is here. What are the things given here? You see nicely. Here is D. Now, AC is equal to AD. This is AC and this is AD. AC and AD are equal. AB is the bisector of angle A. AB is the bisector of angle A. Means what? This angle is equal to this angle. Why? This angle is equal to this angle? Because AB is bisector of angle A. Now, these two triangles you have to make congruent, and after that, what about BC and BD you can tell, whether they are equal or not. My dear students, so figure, if it is not given, with the help of question, we have to draw the diagram. Otherwise, sometimes diagram is given in the question paper. I start from here. After drawing the figure, I start here. Given. First of all, we have to write given. What are the things given? ACBD is a quadrilateral. After that, AC is equal to AD. It is also given. One more thing is given. AB is bisector. Here I am writing AB is bisector of angle A. Now, given from where you write? From the question. You have to write the given. Now, to prove. What is to prove? To prove. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. That is also here mentioned that you have to prove. Now, main work starts from here. Prove. Here you see in these two triangles you compare. AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. From where I have written? It is given. After that you see this angle, suppose this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. This angle up to here to there. This is 1, this is equal to 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why should you write? Since AB is bisector of angle A. Since AB is bisector of angle A. Okay. Now after that AB is equal to AB. Common side. AB is equal to AB. Why it is so? Common side. Therefore, what will happen? Do you understand? Side, angle, side. You see, side, two sides. You see, in this triangle, two sides and included angle are equal to this side and included angle. So two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, you can write triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. ABD. What postulate? Oh, what? There is one axiom. The axiom number 7.1. Side angle side. I taught you in the earlier videos. So you see, from by side angle side, these two triangles are equal or congruent. You can take equal and congruent. You know, equal in all respect. That is called what? Congruent. So these two triangles are congruent. When the two triangles are congruent, that means what? Their identical parts should be equal. Their corresponding parts should be equal. So you can write here the question, what can you say about BC and BD? So you can write BC is equal to BD. Therefore, BC equal to BD. By what postulate? BC is equal to BD. CP, CT, corresponding part of congruent angle. CP, CT. This is proved. So, my dear students, you understood nicely this is question number 1x actually from exercise 7.1. You follow NCERT book, then only you will get this question. I hope you understood. One request from my side, you must subscribe the channel so that you will get benefit whenever I am going to upload some video for your class. Thank you.